Hi everyone, welcome to GDG on campus Seneca Polytechnic. My name is Osman and I am the lead of GDG chapter here at Seneca. It's great to see you here today. That already shows you are interested in growing, learning, and being part of something bigger. Today, we are going to show you what GDG is all about, what we do, how you can be part of this community. Let me quickly walk you through today's agenda. We will start by explaining what GDG on campus is and what our goals are. Then we will talk about the kind of events and opportunities we provide. After that, you will meet the team behind this community, and finally, we will show how you can get involved. So let's get started. Uh, so what is GDG? GDG stands for Google Developer Groups. It's a global community supported by Google. So where developers come together to learn, build, and grow. But here at Seneca, it's more than just a club. It's a place where you can actually develop real skills, meet like-minded people, and push yourself further than your classes. Our goal is simple. We want to build a strong, supportive tech community on campus. We focus on hands-on learning, not just theory, but real skills you can use in projects, internships, and your career. We create opportunities for you to connect with others, collaborate, and learn from each other. So, to talk about more, I'm gonna hand it over to Angel, and he's gonna explain to you more about that.
Problem solving and challenges like hackathons and codes that inspire students to develop new challenging solutions. So what will you be seeing? So you can definitely expect, like I previously mentioned, industry knowledge. So skills in industry concepts, tools, and frameworks that you can apply with having that knowledge, and hands-on knowledge through several challenging problems like code, hackathons, as well as workshops. With that idea of workshops, workshops can range from several different ideas and topics through cloud computing, system design, or DevOps, but all of them are going to be hands-on learning where you can work through those problems and develop skills in them and how certain tools work and then apply that to the industry. So now we're going to go into our team members and have them introduce themselves, starting with Osman.
Yeah, I already introduced myself, guys, but I'm gonna introduce it again. Hi, everyone. My name is Osman Karaman. I'm a computer science student. I'm in third semester right now. I'm like learning as you guys. At the same time, I'm also improving myself. So I'm having fun with learning Python, learning JavaScript, like so on, and like I'm happy to see you here. So I'm just a team member as team lead. So it's good to see you here.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jasmine, and I'm currently in my fourth semester of BSD program here at Seneca, and I'm one of the tech leads. And I've also spent the past year working as a game development teacher for Code Ninjas, and I'm super excited to be here. Over to you, Kashish.
Thank you, Jasmine. My name is Kashish, and I'm a tech lead at GDG. I'm also in my fifth semester at CPA program at Seneca, and I'm working currently as a DevOps engineer at CGI. I hope you guys enjoy the session.
All right, well, you guys already know me, but my name's Bilal. I'm in my fourth semester of CPC. I love Java, and I built my own meal planning platform. I'll let Angel talk it, guys.
Hi guys, my name is Angel and I am in CTAC. I am currently in my co-ops room at RBC as backend developer. I will be going into my fifth semester in summers. And a fun fact is I like to mail back at tests. Like my best member words for like I'm starting with it. So yeah, passing it on to that. I am Dark. I am a CPAC student at Seneca in person. I'm also a tech lead at DBG. Passing it on to the next person.
Hey everyone, I'm Akshar. I'm marketing lead at GDG. Nice to meet you guys. Thanks for joining. I handle socials for GDG. Our DM is always open for your event ideas, suggestions, or any feedback. hope to see you all in person in our next event. I will pass it over to Jess now.
Hi everyone, my name is Daishna. I'm in my third semester of the software development degree program, and I'm one of the event coordinators for this term at GDG. And I will pass it on to Ella.
Hi everyone. I'm one of the event coordinators for GDG, and I'm looking forward to coordinate events and to see you all in future events. Thank you.
We want to take a moment and thank our partners who makes Seneca GDG on campus possible. We have SSF, also known as Seneca Student Federation, who provides like vital support for on-campus initiatives. We also have Google for Developers, whose global program framework and resources enable us to deliver the cutting-edge resources to our members. We also have Seneca Elix. Let me give you a taste of what GE has accomplished so far. We have hosted workshops from basic fundamentals to AI, and you'll be learning like a lot more about like coding, building their projects, and there's going to be food always. You're like to stay connected with GBG on campus, you can scan the QR code, and this will give you access to all of our social media and our event calendars resources. Before we wrap today's session, please scan the form to fill out a quick survey, which will enable us to plan the future workshops accordingly. Thank you so much for listening. Do you have any questions that we may be more than happy to answer?
Yeah, guys, like we can also be here like to answering some questions. If you have some, we can answer about GDG, about like future plans, about programming skills. Like we are all open for these questions. I think is right now we don't have any. We will just wait for like maybe 2 minutes, and then if you don't have any questions, we will gonna end of this session. Yeah, exactly. We are really pretty chill, so you can ask any also silly questions. We are fine as well. I think it's not. All right, like it's pretty good. Like, yes, Akshay.
Guys, one last thing, make sure to bring your friends and all other students you can get to our next event. Even if they are not related to tech or if they are not techie, you always welcome everyone.
But yeah, we got food, guys. It'll be really good, I promise.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we have one question, guys. Yeah, looking forward to. Okay, so this is not a question. uh, so uh, yeah, so exactly, you can like ask every friends to join this group because like we will have normally we are doing our events with in person. So, but currently we did in online. So especially we will have some free foods, free pizzas, especially, and we will have some prizes in person meetings, events. So yeah, so overall we have some future plans for it. So one question. Yes, we have some projects, events planned. So for example, we will gonna have hackathons. We will have some workshops about teaching some maybe machine learning with Google. So this is our one of future plan. So also we will all listen you guys to what you wanna hear from us, what you wanna see as a workshop, as a event. So we will do some links about forum, like what you wanna see in the future. So yeah, overall we have some events, we have some workshops. So look forward for future plans. Is there any other questions? Yeah, we already shared the link with Bilal. So you can guys fill out this form and tell about the like about yourself, and at the same time we are gonna see what is gonna be in the future. All right, I think we don't have any other questions. Like, thank you very much, guys. We are like totally 19 people. Uh, so yeah, if you are comfortable, yeah, you can basically drop in the chat. Basically, that's all. Thank you very much for joining this session. We are so happy to see you here, and we are so excited to show you more in our future plans. So thank you very much, guys.